Hi, boys and girls. Today I want to teach you that when writing about reading, writers don't just read quickly over the parts they're writing about. Instead, they're wide awake readers, reading closely and paying attention to the little details that others might pass by. Then they use these details to grow new ideas and write longer, more detailed letters. So, for example, I want to focus on referring to the book. I want to spell titles and authors. I want to remember the story parts. I want to tell parts as evidence. I want to uncover new details. And I want to look at my words. So I want to look at like boring words versus juicy words. So I want to make sure I'm not using like good or fun or nice. I want to use these fancy words. Like instead of nice, I might want to say pleasant or kind-hearted. So I'm going to look at my writing, and I'm going to look at a writing piece that I know I might have had boring words on, which means I said like or happy. So for example, I wrote this letter to Mrs. Harding's friends. I'm going to share it with you. So it said, I wrote it back in October. It says, Dear Miss Harding's class, have you heard of Mercy Watson to the rescue? Mercy is a happy pig that's smiling a lot. Her neighbors, Eugene and Baby, don't seem happy. Eugenia frowns in a lot of the pictures and seems really angry. What do you think? So I want to look some of these words. I want to figure out which words can I change. So instead of happy pig, so I'm going to circle the word happy. I'm going to see if I can pick a different word. And instead of really angry, I'm going to see if I can figure out a different word. So I'm going to look up happy and angry. So here's happy. So instead of happy, I might say is a cheerful pig, because Mercy is a cheerful pig and he's also positive. So I'm going to say he's a cheerful pig. So I'm going to add that word cheerful. So I'm going to change happy and I'm going to put cheerful above it. You can write with a marker or a pen if you want. It's your writing at home. So instead of cheerful, instead of happy, I'm going to write cheerful. So up, and I have the word happy here too. They didn't seem happy. So they didn't seem, they didn't seem, what could I write instead of happy? They didn't seem very positive in the book. They were kind of negative characters. So I'm going to say the word positive. They didn't seem very positive, that they were kind of not very happy. So now I can read Mercy. So Mercy is a cheerful pig that is smiling a lot. Her neighbors, Eugenia and Baby, don't seem positive. Do you see how that sounds a little more fancy? So Eugenia frowns a lot and seems really angry. And instead of the word angry, I might say mad, because angry is there. So angry is a fancy word. It's a juicy word. But I could also say furious or upset. They were upset a lot at Mercy. I might just keep angry. I might say, you know what? I decided I wanted to keep the word angry. And then it says, what do you think? Now, I didn't continue writing. So I could continue writing here and I could talk about other things. So have you heard of Mercy Watson to the rescue? I never said what I thought about the book. I think the book, Mercy Watson to the rescue, I think Mercy Watson to the rescue is a splendid book because of the characters. So I added down here, I think, and I know it's hard to see, so I'm going to show you. I think the book Mercy Watson to the Rescue is a splendid book because of the characters. Mercy is a cheerful pig that's smiling a lot. So now I go into talking about the characters. So I gave you a reason, I gave you because. So I'm making my writing more convincing. I'm changing and I'm adding more juicy words like cheerful, positive, splendid. I'm intriguing you as the reader. That means I'm making you want to hear more about what I have to write about. So today we're getting really close to generating more writing, and we're looking closely and paying attention to all the details that others might pass up. Like some people might not have used Eugenia and Baby, which is their names, and Mercy. They might have just said the pig. So we're really diving deep into the book. So make sure you take your books and you're writing about them, because we're getting close to where we're going to start coming to our final piece that we're going to write. So yesterday, if you remember, I worked on this piece. Today I worked on this piece. So what I'm going to do too, so that I know I worked on it today, I'm just going to cross off the date and I'm going to write 11, and today is the 17th. So I hope that helps. Keep writing. Every day we're going to be working on writing from this point on, because we need to make sure. So if you're not meeting with me, you're working on writing. Keep up the good work, boys and girls. You can do this.